Great opportunity to own in Naples Heritage. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is being offered turnkey. Buyers will love this Brookside floor plan. Main living area is spacious and open to kitchen. Back screen lanai is the perfect place to relax while looking out over captivating view of lake and golf course. Deeded carport parking and outside storage room. Building equipped with elevator. Naples Heritage is a beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and preserves. The 18-hole golf course, putting green, thriving range, renovated clubhouse west/pro shop, resort-style pool west/cabana, tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce ball, and fitness center are all part of the Naples Heritage lifestyle. Just minutes from downtown restaurants, shopping and beaches.